Remove the main unit and all accessories. Install the left and right brackets according to the arrow direction. The Y-shaped bracket is installed at the back, and the H-shaped bracket is installed at the front. Install the emergency button bracket. Install the bracket on the other side. Install the handle. Both the handle interface and the device socket are numbered. Connect the handle with the corresponding number to the device socket are numbered. Connect the handle with the corresponding number to the device. First, place the handle on the bracket. Align the handle connector with the device's connection port. Insert it firmly and rotate the knob until it points to the lock symbol. Ensure it is properly installed without gaps. Connect the power cord and turn on the power switch to start the device. Auto mode, manual mode. Select gender, age, and treatment area. Note, the first time the device is powered on, an alarm may sound, and E2030 may appear on the interface. This is because the emergency switch button is not released. EMS intensity for handle A. RF energy for handle A. Adjustments for handle B, handle C, and handle D. Follow similarly, adjust the parameters for each handle to be used in sequence. When adjusting EMS intensity, the corresponding handle icon will light up. If a handle is not needed, set its EMS to 0 and it will not work. Time. Each mode includes 6 different frequencies that cycle sequentially. The remaining time for the currently active frequency can be displayed here. Give the emergency pause handle to the customer and instruct them to press the button if they experience discomfort such as excessive RF temperature or energy. Manual mode. After adjusting R1, R2, and R3, proceed to the next interface. Adjust the EMS and RF energy for the corresponding handles. Adjust the time. R1, R2, and R3 frequencies cycle sequentially. Press V to switch. The emergency button functions the same as in auto mode. Parameters can be adjusted at any time during operation. Abdominal muscle building and shaping. Select 1-2 flat handles based on the participant's body type. Secure the handles to the abdomen with straps. Note, avoid the ribs on both sides. Press start and proceed with the operation. After the time ends, remove the handles and unbind the straps. Using the curved handle with the small strap, open the buckle on the handle. Thread one end of the small strap through and lock the buckle to secure it. Place the curved handle on the treatment area of the thigh, with the curved side in contact with the thigh. Wrap the small strap around the thigh. Thread it through the hole on the handle. Adjust the tightness and secure it with adhesive. Press start and proceed with the operation. After the time ends, remove the handles and unbind the straps. Replacing the fuse. When a circuit fault or abnormality occurs, the fuse will melt to cut off the current, protecting the circuit and the device. If the fuse is burnt out, replace it.